Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Kings Mountain, South Gastonia, Grover, Patterson Springs, Earl, Kings Mountain State Park, Crowders Mountain State Park, Crowders and Bethany. Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, or flooding to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Shelby, or near Patterson Springs, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Carolina, locations impacted include Gastonia, severe thunderstorm warning for South Gastonia, Grover, Patterson Springs, Earl, Kings Mountain State Park, Crowders Mountain State Park, Crowders and Bethany. For your protection, modular installation on the lowest floor of the building. And no longer torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. The warning will be allowed to drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on Facebook page or tweet using hashtag NWS GSP. Here is a special message to describe the event and the specific location where it occurs. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, and Gaston, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and near Mount Holly, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts 40 miles per hour, and pea-sized hail.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio. The following is a message from the Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spotsylvania, Virginia, beginning at 04:48 p.m. and ending at 05:03 p.m. Message from the /TAC. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Schmidt, or 11 miles west of Milford, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. There was a report of trees blown down on Lewiston Road. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hardlow and Gatewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.